Today we are going to make a paper skrill. As you can see, these are the materials we will need to make the skrill. This is its body with its wings and tail attached. Well, not attached. I just cut them out in the shape of it and bend the wings, and then it's its head. Its head, you don't have to fold it. When you don't have to make it the same shape, you have to make it a little different shape. Like there is a point, a spike over here, and there's no spike over here, like that. You don't have to do that. So then these are the hind legs, which will go on the back of the dragon. The hind legs have 3 nails, even the other one, and the front legs have 5 nails. So now let's get started building the dragon. I've got the glue, so now we'll start sticking it. Now we are going to attach its front legs and hind legs. Stick the legs in such a position so when you are making it fly, when we have done it, so the legs can be seen like that. The nails, little about the legs also, and do the same for the hind legs. And now we color it. When you're coloring the wings, the part where you fold it, it should be black in color, and the rest of the part should be purplish dark in color. After you have finished making the purple or light purple, you can color it in the shade of dark, so it looks darker. Same on the other wing. When you have finished coloring the dragon like this, you have to color the other side of it. The belly will be entirely black, and the legs will be purple but also black at the edge. At the front of the dragon's face, it will be a little indigo type color, and then black on the top like the rest. This type of indigo, it's actually a type of blue. It looks like indigo, but you can use that. Color the belly black, and as you can see, we have colored it like that, where you have to make the lines where that is and all. You have to do it a little lighter on the bottom, but on the belly it should be more dark. Even on the tail it will be dark black color. Bye.